Hello everyone and welcome to WorldCAD tutorial. In our continuation of the 3D CAD tutorial, today we'll cover modeling of 3D in Autodesk Inventor. So we'll be modeling this 3D drawing through Autodesk Inventor. This program is similar to SolidWorks. So we'll cover an aspect of part file, 2 dimension. We'll make this dimension as you can see here. So we'll not just draw but also make this dimension as you can see. It's very simple compared to AutoCAD. I recommend to watch this video to the end so that you will get most of everything in Autodesk Inventor. Stay tuned. So for now, so what we're going to do, we'll start creating a new. Click here and then go to this part and then select standard millimeter IPT. This is metric, so click create. The window will pop up. So we'll start creating a new sketch. Create 2D sketch and then select a plane that you want to draw. This is the plane. From here we need to create a sketch. As per this drawing, we need to create a center line with a length of 70 at the midpoint, so that we can create this figure here and then mirror it on the other side, and then we'll do the dimensioning, constraint, and then extrude and proceed further. So let's create a line, and then our line has to be a center line. Click this center line button. Okay. So draw a line along this up to here. Dimension it to a length of 70 units. Okay. Now create a circle from. So we have created a center line of 70 dimension millimeter units. Now we create a circle. Click circle and then draw a circle from here. Make a circle of diameter 15, no, diameter 30. Okay. Also draw another circle from here. The circle now has to be of 60 units. Okay. So we have done this one. We could trim it, but let's wait it because our shape is like this. To draw this part, so we'll sketch similar sketch, just a freehand sketch. We'll start a sketch from this point center to left, and then we forgot to get something. Cancel, delete this one because it seems like a center line. Toggle off the center line, and then from this point to draw a line. And here, and then draw a vertical line, and then draw a horizontal line, draw an inclined line here to this point, and then go to this point, and then just touch this circle. Okay. Now we need to mirror this part to be seen over here. So click mirror, select the line that you need to mirror, and also this are the feature that you need to mirror. Okay, select mirror line. This is our mirror line, and then apply, done. Okay, now let's just move this dimension outward so that it doesn't hind us. Now we need to make some dimension. This is ready and this is ready. Let's make some trimming here. Trim this portion and this portion and this portion and this portion. Trim also this portion. How about here? So we are done. Okay, make the dimension from here to here. Make it 40. Okay. Okay, make this point align to this point. Okay, so that's from that point, and also mark this point inside of this point. from this point also this point. Okay, yeah, okay. So we have constrained these points to be horizontally with this point, and this point to be horizontally with this point. Now let's make some dimension. Okay, let's edit this dimension, double click it, and then make 40. Okay, it's 40 now, and the dimension, let's see, the dimension from here, from this point to this point is 90. Let's make it 90. From this point to this point, 90. Now let's make it let's use this dimension from this point to this point, make it 50. Okay, let's delete this one. From this point to this point, make it 90. It won't fit well. Let's first make the dimension here. This one make it 60, and then this one make it 90. This one make it 90. This has to be 90. Okay, this shape looks well to me. Now what else? Okay, from that point. Okay, that point. Okay. Okay, make this point of 10, and also need to constrain this one. To constrain this one, you have to make the dimension from here to here 10. Okay, now we are done. Click on sketch. What we need to do from now on, we have finalized the sketch. We need to extrude. Click extrude, and then this is our shape. To extrude to the side, to the back again. This dimension 50. Okay, so now we are done so far. Now what we need to do, we need to make this cut. Okay, so from to make this cut, we need to create a line here and then offset down inside, because the cut is around inside, so it has to be 6 millimeter inside. So we need to create a plane here, and then move it -6 so it will move inside. And then we need to create a sketch using this. Okay, click project geometry, select the line that you need to project, and then on the view make it wireframe. So let's start creating the sketch. Create the rectangle. Yeah. Okay, make a dimension. The dimension has to be 45, and dimension from here to here has to be 30, and the dimension from here to here has to be 10. Okay, so on the sketch. Okay, now extrude this part, and then make a cut, but on the other way, and then okay. So you make it shade with the edge, hide this black, and leave it toggle off. Now we need to mirror this shape, this cut. Go to 3D model, mirror, select this, and then mirror plane. From the origin, look for it's a YZ plane, and then okay, we finally made the mirror. So it's very simple compared to the AutoCAD. Now what we need to do, we need to create this cut. Let's see what the dimension of the cut. From here it's 20, and from here to here is 8. Okay, so it's 20 by 8. Let's see the dimension from this point to this line. We couldn't get it. Okay, we will get it. Okay, so the cut is on this way, so we'll have to make a plane. Make plane at this point. Okay, we've made the plane. Click this plane and create a sketch. Okay, project geometry, this one, projected geometry. Create a rectangle from this point. Create project geometry, we have already created it. Okay, from this point to this point. Okay, the dimension here has to be, this is a 15, 15. It has to be 15. Okay, and also from here to here has to be 20. Okay, from here to this point has to be 0. Okay, and this dimension, okay, this one has to be 8. Okay, and sketch, and then extrude this cut to the other end, then cut, and then okay, hide this work plan with the toggle off. So we are done making the 3D model. Now we need to pick to make some dimension. How to make dimension? Let's make it on view. Okay. Now we need to make dimensions like this. So we need to project the orthographics. How to project the orthographics? Create new, and then go here. This is the drawing, and then select ISO, create. And so pull the base from here, make it here. You see the pop-up drawing. This is where we are. we optimize our visibility. So this has to be the master. This is the scale. This is the type of view, the raster view. If you need to see a shaded wireframe, hidden line or hidden line removed, so this is the style. Okay. It is requesting me to save that file. Let me save it. Let me write it example. Okay. So now we need to project it. Click it and then project here, and project here, and project the 3D. Okay, create. But this one we need to, so that we will double click it and then click this one. Okay. Now we need to make dimension. Go to annotate, select this one, and select the whole. Click create, continue, and these are the dimension. And then we continue, create, and then also click all, continue, but we don't need this. Okay, we have made the dimension. Also click here, click all, continue. Do we need this dimension and this dimension? We have the dimension, and also click here, click all, continue. We don't need this dimension. Just make certain dimension ourselves. Okay, we make the dimension here. Click space. Okay, and we also need to make dimension here. Click space. No, we don't need this one. We will make dimension from here to here. 90. and then dimension from here 30, dimension to here 15. Okay, dimension to here is 50. Dimension from this point, space, okay, dimension through here, dimension through here, 40, dimension through here, 60, dimension through here, 20, dimension through here, 80. I think we dimension from here through here, dimension through here, here. So we are done. I think with AutoCAD it's quite complex making the dimension, but with Autodesk Inventor it's very easy. We forgot this dimension. Okay, so it's quite easy for you to do it. Okay, stay tuned and be sure to subscribe, my friend.